This basket isn't just pretty, it's also practical all around the house. Personally, I'm using it for my throw blankets here in my living room, and you can also put your throw pillows in there, but it has these two really great built-in handles that are super strong. And because of that, you can also use this basket as a laundry basket for transporting your dirty clothes back and forth to the laundry room. And personally, I really love that you can carry it around with one hand, because I'm definitely that kind of person who tries to carry as many things with me all at once as I can. And it's super roomy. It can really fit so much stuff in it. Another use would be for all of your kids' stuffed animals or maybe toys. And it comes in lots of different colors. I really love all of the great texture that it has. I have a jute one with this kind of black detail on the bottom. And I have something like 6 or 7 baskets from the same brand, and they are all very well made. Personally, I love it when one thing can serve many different purposes and uses throughout my home, so I can definitely highly recommend this basket for that reason.